little things matter much.
If we can't do good of any individual, we should not do anything bad to anyone.
We need to keep good terms with everyone. We never knew who will be helpful in our difficult times.
We should always try not to mix one thing with another. We should always try to keep personal and professional life separate.
We should not consume tobacco in any form.
We should not waste food in any form.
We should not get habitual or attracted to any one particular thing.
Even if any individual has 99% bad things, still we should try to see 1% of his goodness and forgive him.
Bhagavad Upchar is the biggest upchar because once Lalji Upchar can be forgiven, even Guru Upchar can be forgiven, but Upchar of Bhagavad can never be forgiven by Lalji. All kinds of seva should be done with bhav. Lalji is bhav of an individual and it can never be measured by money.
Acharya Vivan should be one of the most important things for any Shishya.
We should always have Das Bhav in ourselves. We should always consider ourselves as Dasanu, 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 Das.
We should not ask anything from Lalji, because if we ask, then we will get only that much what we have asked for. But if we surrender ourselves completely to Lalji, then Lalji will give us what is most appropriate for us, which is beyond our imagination.
We should never do any seva expecting something in return, that is, never to keep sakam bhavna.
We should always continue to do our karma and keep trusting on Lalji.
We should always try to apologize to our Guru Bhai, no matter what the problem is.
Mistakes are not to be repeated. If the same mistake is repeated twice, then it's no more a mistake.
Satsang is the most important thing. Human memory is too short and regular satsang is very important so that our Vaishnav Swarup is maintained.
We should consider and dedicate all our work to Lalji and have the feeling that whatever we are doing, that is Lalji's Kenkare only.
In a day, we should remove at least 10 to 15 minutes time for Lalji Seva.
We should be careful of Guru Upchar. Guru Upchar can mean small things. So we should take care of that.
We should always support, respect and uplift our Guru Bhai, no matter how much ever we fight amongst each other.
We should always try to get rid of Upayantar, Prayojantar and Phadantar.
We should not do anything against our Vaishnav Swarup.
We should always know one thing, which is Siya Ram hi upay, Siya Ram hi upay.
We should never get upset if sometimes things don't go as we had planned. In spite, we should always think that Lalji might have thought something different for us.
We should never take advantage and tease someone on his weakness.
We should not have any kind of abhiman of our Vaishnav Swarup. We should always keep Das Bhav.
We should always remember that Lalji is Swatantra and we are Partantra. We are bounded to follow all the teachings taught by our Guru to maintain our Vaishnava Swarup.
We should always tell truth to the Guru, no matter what the situation is and what the consequences would be.
We should always learn from our mistake, and if any Guru Bhai tells us our mistake, and we should not feel bad and keep the teaching in our mind and make sure that the same mistake doesn't happen again.
We should always remember that our duty of studying or working is also considered as Lalji's seva. Lalji never expects us to leave our studies or work and do his seva.
Bhagavad and then Lalji. We should always remember that first comes Bhagavad Seva, then comes Guru Seva and then comes Lalji Seva.
We should always know our limit and boundary, and we should always do all our work accordingly.
We should always respect our parents. We should never talk rudely with Mataji. We should give equal respect to Mataji as we give to Pitaji. We should always remember that without Acharya Kripa, we cannot go to Vaikuntha.
The most easiest way to reach Vaikuntha Dham is Sharanagati, that is complete surrender.
We should learn to adjust in any given situation.
If Guru tells something, then that should be come to practice in the very next second.
Das presence should be there in all fields, everywhere.
Thou should not disrespect anyone. If any thus has any issues with anyone, thou should try to keep distance.
We should have a control on our expenses and should not spend all the money unnecessarily, as all sampatti is of Lalji only. We all should make a routine of doing seva daily, no matter how small or how big the seva is, but it should be done regularly. Seva nahi chutni chahiye.
We should always have full faith in Lalji, no matter in how much worse situation we are. When Shishya gets Samashrit from Guruji, then it becomes Guruji's responsibility to take that Shishya to Vaikuntha. Whenever we commit any mistake, there is never any punishment from Lalji. We should always treat Lalji as a small baby, a family member of our house.
We should always form practice to apply Manasik Bhog to Lalji before taking any prasad.
We should consider ourselves very lucky that we got to know the real meaning of Sharanagati through our Guru and be thankful to Lalji for his kripa on us. Nothing is possible without Lalji's kripa. We should always have clear thoughts and not try to keep leg in two boats. If we are following Vaishnavism, then we should follow it strictly, but we cannot be practicing Vaishnavism and following other Devi Devatas also at the same time.
We all are the creation of Lalji, and everyone is special in some or the other way. In Vaishnavism, there is no caste discrimination. Whether an individual is from a scheduled caste or lower background class, he will still be called a Vaishnava.
If we want to tell anything to others, we should first implement on ourselves and then tell to others.
We should always do good deeds and good karma so that people always remember us and our absence is always felt.
एक गुरु का साथ हमको तीन लोक से प्यारा है। एक गुरु का साथ हमको तीन लोक से प्यारा है। गुरु है तो हर सहारा है।
ना मिले माया गुरु का साया हमारे साथ है। ना मिले माया गुरु का साया हमारे साथ है। गुरु है तो हर सहारा है।
एक गुरु का साथ हमको तीन लोक से प्यारा है। एक गुरु का साथ। जहाँ में थे ममता के बंधन में, नहीं था ज्ञान गुरु का। गुरु जो मिल गए कट गए ये बंधन। मिला जब लक्ष्य पथ का, आज गुरु का साथ हमको जान से भी प्यारा है। गुरु है तो हर सहारा है। एक गुरु का साथ हमको तीन लोक से प्यारा है। एक गुरु का साथ।